Hello everyone, so I have something super cool to share with you, which are these 3 essences from Mix Laboratory. So we have the iobidine 1% antioxidant essence, we have the Proxylane 10% anti-aging essence, we have the micromolecular hyaluronic acid 0.6% hydrating essence. So this is the iobidine essence, and it's really rich in antioxidants, which helps protect your skin against all the free radicals. Free radicals are basically, UV rays, traffic, pollution, alcohol, or just poor eating habits. So that can really, damage your skin's collagen. So this is going to help prevent those free radicals from oxidizing your skin, which is just going to help, with your fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and also just your skin radiance as well. So we have the Proxylane essence, which is really good for anti-aging. It's going to improve your collagen production. It's also going to help with your skin strength and your skin elasticity. So it's packed with a bunch of really powerful ingredients, which is going to help firm your skin, tighten it. It's also going to improve your skin texture and give you a better facial contour as well. So hyaluronic acid is really good for any dry or sensitive skin. This is actually able to hold more water than any other natural substance. So that means that your skin is going to stay hydrated throughout the entire day just due to hyaluronic acid. So by using it and having those deep hydration and long-lasting moisturizer, it actually is going to improve your skin's texture over time. It's also going to help reduce, fine lines and wrinkles. Okay everyone, so those were the 3 essences there. Basically, when you're using it in a skincare routine, you want to go in with your cleanser toner and then go in with the hyaluronic acid for your hydrating essence. Then you want to go in with an advanced essence, which can either be your Proxylane essence or your iobidine essence. And then after that, we want to do our eye cream and our moisturizer.